Hey GCSE physicists, coming to you today with some nuclear physics. So we're going to have a look at this question on the board. The diagram shows a simplified model of the atom. The first thing we need to do is state what the nucleus is made of. The nucleus is made of, remember, the nucleons, which are protons and neutrons. Next up, we need to state why the atom has no overall charge. Well, if we look at this atom I've got here, I've got 3 electrons on the outside of the nucleus. Inside the nucleus, I've got 3 protons. Now remember that a proton has a charge of +1. An electron has got exactly the same amount of charge, but it's negative, so it's -1. So if I've got 3 protons, that would be a charge of +3, and 3 electrons, that would be a charge of -3, the overall charge is going to be 0. So when we have to state why the atom has no overall charge is because there are the same amount of protons and electrons. Right, for the final question, an electron moves into a higher energy level. Explain what must happen for this to occur. So this is about the absorption or the emission of electromagnetic radiation. Now, for one of these electrons to go into a higher energy level, it's going to have to get more energy. It's going to have to be more energetic. So it's going to have to absorb some electromagnetic radiation that comes in. It's going to absorb it and then move to a higher energy level, okay? Because that is how this works. When it moves back down, it will release electromagnetic radiation to reduce the amount of energy. But because it wants to increase in energy level, it's got to get more energetic. It's going to have to absorb some energy. So the electron must absorb some electromagnetic radiation. And that's how we would answer this exam style question. Don't forget to follow me if you want more content just like this, and check out my resources on the MyEdSpace website. I'll see you soon.